The beauty of la bufadora en Ensenada. Ahí viene otra. It's coming. Hey, Alejandro here. How are you guys? Look, I'm here at a beautiful Ensenada. I have in the back of my the view is La Bufadora. It's just a very cool scene here. The sea just hit the rocks and make this beautiful natural reaction of the water. And I'll explain it to you in the other video. Actually, gonna put the other video where I show. But listen, I was looking for a way to make money. You know, like you are. You know, just putting a lot of effort, buying all these books and researching about online marketing because I wanted to go into that market since I just heard so many things. You know, like you can pretty much work from home and do stuff that on a regular business or in a traditional business you can't do. So I stumbled on the internet with this guy. His name is Alex, and he told me how he was doing it, and just it just got me. You know, it's been a pleasure to meet him and to get all this information that I'm getting now. I'm working part-time with a group of masterminds that pretty much they already making lots of money online and they're just making things happen. So I'm gonna encourage you to get into the boat because right now it's a good market. Like you see, a lot of people, not a lot of people have this free time to go on little getaways, but it's just fun, you know, to have a life like that. So if you want to keep going with your dreams and just have more free time and get it into this opportunity. It's so great, so much information you can acquire and knowledge that you can convert that into cash like I'm doing now. So click the link below, join now, and you will never regret it, my friend. See ya. Wow. Impressive, huh? Ahí viene otra. It's coming.